The date is April 12th, 2016. This video will demonstrate the current assembly process for the Kickstarter exclusive robot kit, part number A2539-4/DSH01-0030. The components of this kit are a decorative shell kit, Kickstarter exclusive character, part number CP0032/DSH01-0031, one standard packaging assembly ACP0013/DSH01-0025, one solder assembly, final assembly, part number A2539/DSH01-0024, and one label sticker for our Kickstarter exclusive kit, part number CP0034/DSH01-0038. Things to note: 1. The Kickstarter exclusive shell kit appears similar to the Masubi shell kit, but is distinguished by black coloration and green decorative lines. The dash solder assembly must be tested with and pass the K-check automated QA check before being used in this assembly, and the sticker used must correspond to the Kickstarter exclusive robot kit. This is a 6.5 inch by 2 inch sticker with a depiction of a fully assembled Kickstarter exclusive robot. The assembly process is as follows. Open the standard packaging assembly, lift the user manual supplement and chassis and user manual, insert the completed dash solder assembly, replace the user manual, insert the shell kit, replace the other components, seal the box, and apply the sticker to this face of the box in this orientation. Note that this will cover up some information on the box, if that's okay, because this contains all the required labeling information for this product. I will now repeat this process at a normal speed for time study purposes. The assembly is complete.